656 square meters at 2,500 pesos per square meter. Commercial lot or residential along National Highway located in Barangay Pandol, Corilla, Bohol. This road is a busy road connecting from Tagbilaran, Katigbian, Balilihan, going to Katigbian, then to Begon, or going to Sagbayan, Bohol. So as we notice, this is the shortcut road going to Begon. So this is nearer. That is why it's really a very busy road. So you can convert into commercial or residential. So ang diferensya lang dito guys ay yung lupa ay medyo nasa baba, no? Hindi siya level sa karsada. So you need to fill up. Lagyan mo ng additional na lupa para mag-level siya. So, yun po nangyayari sa mga katabi. Tulad ng bahay dyan at saka yung gasoline station. Yun ang ginagawa nila. Although the price is really good price. It's 2,500 pesos per square meter. Okay. For inquiries, just contact me. And please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.